Yes, the next team, EVP 7. Are you here? Yes, daily objects.
Yeah,
Suprit,
we're here.
brother Suprit, switch off your video. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Good to have you all. Avengers, assemble. Yeah. Uzma, I still don't know how you did that. I mean, the cropping, but yeah. You're on mobile, huh? Okay, got it now. Yeah. So, okay. So, how are you guys feeling? Kopal, you have to at least be happy now.
Now I'm happy.
Nervous and excited.
Yeah. Okay. Uzma, I think all the discussion last night worked.
Yeah, it was a great help. Yeah.
Yeah. Wondering what we discussed about? We discussed shit. Nothing. Random stuff.
Memes. We discussed memes actually.
I took them totally away from their problem statement. And like, I was eating and I was like talking about Maggie and stuff.
You made me hungry, Anudeep, at 4 a.m.
Anyway, let's have their presentation.
Hello from UX Avengers. This is the case study of our 48-hour designathon conducted by UX Anudeep and Growth School. So we have selected DailyObjects app. Our problem statement is evaluate the search and filter flow for daily objects, which includes searching product from search bar and applying filter and opening the product details page and redesign the experience to make the product design better. Also, we are targeting on increasing of retention and DAUs. So these are the team members. Me, Sumuk, was assigned timekeeping and video editing. I played a major role in heuristics and secondary research. Shailza, secondary research, played a major role in ideation and UI. Mega, documentation, played a major role in copy data research and brainstorming. Kopal, primary research, played a major role in secondary research and testing. Uzma, primary research, played a major role in secondary research and testing. Sanku, UI, played a major role in heuristics, primary research and ideation. Mahi, UI.
Let's talk about the decision that we have made after competitive analysis and the research part. We introduced some new features and we also alter some existing user interface and the experience. Let's talk about the things that we have made. We put the search bar at the tops for good visibility and the accessibility. We also provide some camera and voice assistant option to the user. We also introduced new option that is Reel, where a user can get idea about the product that is reviewed by the influencer, where they can share the product to their family members and friends, and they can buy the product at that time also. We also improved the hero banner, like we are giving some giving impactful shop now button, and we also give some related image to the banner so that user can get idea about the category that app is offering. We also provide some signifier, cursor signifier, so that user can get idea this is a slider, not an image. Let's talk about the search. Like in the search, we are providing some recommendation like trending search, recently viewed items, and recent search, so that user can easily get recognize the product that they want to buy rather than recall. And we also try to make it more interactive by using graphic. And in product list page, we are also giving some new feature that is rating, share options, and wish list, so that user can by rating they can get trust of the product, like it's a valuable, and by sharing they can share the product with their family members, and by wish list they can they can make the collection of the product so that they can maybe buy it later. We also provide by sharing option, we also worked on the DAU. By filter options, on filter we also give some new options to the user so that they can have good control and freedom over choosing the product. That's how we improved our user experience, and we worked on our DAU and retention.
Hello everyone, so I'll be talking about review highlight feature and why we introduced it. So in this feature, influencers will be reviewing a product, and it will help in gaining the trust of the user. So the problem that the users were facing was the users were not able to identify what does the app does, and they were lost in the app trying to figure out what the app does. One of the users felt that this app is for apparels, and which is really not the case. And after that, we have also introduced various features in the search, like recent viewed items and also recent searches. The reason for introducing these features was one of our users, we told her to search for the item that she searched, let's say for 5 minutes ago, but she was not able to search it quickly. And also she discovered accidentally that the recently viewed items in the cart page, and she was not able to find it. That's why we introduced it in the search, so that she'll be able to search things in much better manner. And also we have introduced searching through scanning a product and choosing it from a gallery, and also searching through voice. So what we found out that our competitors had given similar kind of features which were helping user a lot, because it gave them the efficiency of searching by an image instead of and by voice also, instead of searching through the traditional methods.
We were ready with our user interface. The most exciting part came starting off from the home screen. The users were actually satisfied, while some users were confused about this highlight feature here, and the other users were appreciating the key trusting elements that we had put here. And now the users were actually able to judge what the main product categories are. Now moving on to the second screen, the search screen, we had all the options here which helped the user to get a better understanding of how to navigate throughout the app. The users were also happy with what the details here were written. They helped them to judge better about the product, while some users mentioned that there should also be a technical filter aspect to our filter option here. Users also appreciated that availability of the product is also a feature here. Then so we got some key highlights and we got some technical glitches to work upon it.
Here are the collection of our 48 hours work, right from making problem statement card to doing primary research, secondary research, and getting insights from user interview, and then making the final UI. And here is our team tracker to keep our team on track, and this is our final UI. So we made prototype and the components to make our work easier. Here is the documentation of all the work that we did. So meet our team UX Avengers, a team of 7 members. So we are going to make a final presentation video. Stay tuned for it. Yeah, student for life. Thank you.
Awesome. What was the last one?
I wish there was the Avengers Team. I wish it would have been so good.
Mahi is in your team, huh? Where is he?
Yeah, he's facing some problem with the network, so
Yeah, I
he
know
could
this
not
one.
join today.
Is it his creativity that Avengers and all? Whose creativity was that?
Yeah, I edited the video.
Oh, I like that nostalgic transitions, man. Windows Movie Maker transition. Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
So, firstly, man, I really like the firstly, daily object search has nothing, and you literally introduce like a lot of things to do on search. I think you can just directly go and give it to daily objects. They can start building it. Amazing stuff. Really, really good. As a product manager, that's like this huge boost to any of those metrics. This is really, really good, right? So very good utilization of that, and the inspiration you got from the competitors and all that stuff. Yeah, I know we had those discussions on the Google and Swiggy search and all that. So pretty well done. So all the very best, guys. Any other mentors want to add anything?
Yeah. Guys, you need to upload this on LinkedIn. Do the case study and please upload this. It's very valuable. Yeah. And also, Anuti, they did not just did the filter, the search page. They also backed it up with their primary research. They had data to back it up. So that's a good thing, guys. Please make sure you upload this on LinkedIn. Make a case study, make a video each of you, and upload it. You'll get definitely you'll get a good leads. Not sure about the influencer part. From business point of view, might not be scalable, but it's fine. It's okay to have it.
Yeah, we're targeting on DAUs and retention, right? So that's why we introduced that.
Got it.
Also tag the companies when you're uploading it on LinkedIn. Tag the companies for sure.
Yeah.
And send it to product designers.
So say send it to product manager, the designer, send it to them.
Yeah.
On the note, send your link and say that you have done it into your hackathon and would like to have a feedback on this or something like that, and send it to them.
Mail it to them.
Very surprised when you start getting replies.
Yeah.
Like
You
Shweta
will
started
get
getting replies.
We'll get it.
Yeah, and Panis was like tagged and like anyway, we'll talk about that. But yeah, anyone else? Aman, you wanted to say something?
I think everyone has covered it well. Yesterday, we were having in the mid review. I still remember they had a lot of things to catch up. So this team has actually proved who is the Iron Man at the last. At the end, and I do remember having a word with them in the afternoon. So I think they have covered and really, heard all the suggestions well. They have come up with the good things on the search and all the filters which they have provided. So yep, all the very best.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah. So finally, all of you, please vote for UX Avengers. Yes. Yeah. On Insta stories. There you have all the Avengers assembled. Literally like Avengers in different poses. Yeah. Anyway.
I muted.
So,